what's good people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rom. If it's your first time joining the channel today, big shout out to you. I drop sneaker content like this each and every week. So in today's video, it's a little bit different. It's a review of DFNS. And today, I mentioned in the previous video that I was going to do a full review on their cleaning kit. And today is the day. So I have the cleaning kit, I have the footwear cleaner, and I have my trusted 350. So today, I'm going to be doing a full review, seeing if this actually works. So I just want to say before we get started, this video is not sponsored by DFNS. They actually liked my last video I'd done on one of their products, and they sent me a few more things just to try out. And in today's video, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try out the cleaner, and I'm going to try out the cleaning kit as well. And we're going to run through the process right now, what to do, and we'll see if it actually works. So let's get into it. So if you're a sneakerhead like me, you know cleaning your sneakers is a big part of the game. Because I wear all of my sneakers, having a good cleaner is essential. So this is the DFNS shoe cleaning kit. In this kit, it retails for £14. You open it up, you get your microfiber cloth, you get your tub of cleaning gel, and you also get a brush. But for this one, we're going to be using the full bottle of the footwear cleaner, which retails for £10. These are the instructions on how to use it. So this is my Yeezy 350, and these are my daily shoes all muddied up from my run this morning. How we're going to get into it. So firstly, you apply some of the cleaning gel to a brush, a damped brush, and then you basically just start scrubbing. Now that it's complete, time to use the microfiber cloth to dry the shoe and to remove any excess water and soap from the shoe. So the shoe looks pretty good, time to repeat this process on the second pair. Let's go. Now let's see what we look like before we leave for 24 hours. Looks pretty good. So from first glance, the shoe does look really good. Looks really clean. We won't know the full results until after 24 hours till it's dry. It's hard to tell now because the shoe is still wet. We're gonna come back in 24 hours and have a look to see if the shoe has changed. So 24 hours has passed. Shoe looks really good. Let's check it out. So shoe looks really good, time to relace. Then we're going to apply the DFNS shoe protector. Then we're going to apply the DFNS shoe refresher, and that will keep the shoe fresh. Let's go. So this is the DFNS shoe refresher. These are the instructions. Retail is £10. So this is the DFNS shoe protector. I've used it before. Retail is £10. Pretty easy to use. Spray evenly over the shoe. Once that's done, wait 20 minutes. Shoe is good to go. 20 minutes has passed. That's the shoe. Looks pretty cool to me. No issues whatsoever. Looks good as new. Smells great as well. That DFNS shoe refresher makes the shoe smell even better. Gives it that citrus type of smell. So it's very, very nice. And I'm going to run through all the products I've used today, starting with the DFNS shoe protector. And this is very good. You spray it on the shoe, leave for 20 minutes. Wait for it to dry at room temperature, and then the shoe is good to go. You'll be protected from pretty much anything. And I've done a full review on this product before, and I'll link that down in the bio. I also use the DFNS shoe refresher. This is another really good one. So if any lingering odors are in your shoe, you spray this in there and it will get rid of them. It smells really, really nice. As I said, it's like more of a citrus type of smell. I also use the DFNS shoe cleaning kit, which you get 3 pieces, your microfiber cloth. You get a small tub of cleaning gel in there as well, and you get the brush, which is very, very good to get out any stains, any dirt from your shoe. And obviously for the test, I use the DFNS footwear cleaner. And those are all the products I use, and they're all very reasonable in the UK. I think all 3 of them are around £10, which is very, very, very good. And it's a lot cheaper than pretty much everything else on the market. So this is why it is something I recommend, because it's something I actually use. The bar was set really high with this product, so I knew the cleaning kit would have been just as good. So in my opinion, this is a must have for every sneakerhead. If you've got sneakers in your collection and you need to keep them clean, you need to keep them refreshed, this is the products for you. This is all you need. Well, that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember, hit the subscribe button below, hit the bell so you know when I drop a new video. I drop sneaker content like this each and every week. And hit me in the comments and let me know what you think of DFNS, and if you ever bought any of this, if you ever tried it, hit me in the comments and let me know. Peace.